Hi guys, welcome to another of my videos. Before I start, I have to warn you, this is not financial advice. Yes, I invested in these coins, I believe in these coins, but that does not mean I'm right. I can also be wrong. I have to say I'm not an IT expert. I don't understand 90% of description from their websites. I chose these coins by other criteria, like high market cap, continuous progress. Some of them are long time on the market. They have good scores from rating agencies, or they are accepted from well-known platforms, exchanges, and investors. So let's start now with number one. One of the most popular staking coins, Tezos. They're ranking number 15 with over 113,000 bitcoins market cap. Yeah, that's very big market cap, and 6,300 volume over last 24 hours. So current price is $1.30, but all-time high was around $10, $10. So let's see their website. What is Tezos? Tezos is an open source platform for assets and applications that can evolve by upgrading itself. Stakeholders govern upgrades to the core protocol, including upgrades to the amendment process itself. I have no idea what this means, and I don't care. I care about reward, about 7%. They're offering 7% annual yield. And if you're a tech guy, if you understand this, if you want to read more, I will leave you link below this video. Now let's see what's their rating with the popular Vice agency. They have C+. You see, C+. That's amazing. That's almost perfect. If we exclude Bitcoin and Ethereum, this is perfect score. So I am staking this coin with Tezos wallet, with Vitess wallet. Okay, let's move to next one. Next one is quite new. It's Cosmos, ranking number 17, with market cap of 93,000 bitcoins and volume of 23,000 bitcoins. Their new coin from this year, 2019. Amazing gains, increase. I mean, rank number 17 was this new coin. Yeah, that's pretty amazing. Maybe because they offer something new, something big. Let's see their website. Cosmos is an ecosystem of blockchains that can scale and interoperate with each other. So they let's say they connect blockchains. That's why they're big deal. I like this coin. I believe they have a big future. Especially other old coins, they already had their 10 times gains, increase in price, but this one still not. So who knows one day. Yeah. If we look rating, their rating is not great. It's C minus. It's not bad. I think they have time to prove themselves more and get better score. And final one for today. Final one is ranking 22nd. It's Dash. As some of you know, Dash is it's a digital cash. It's digital money, with market cap of 63,000 bitcoins. Current price is around $50, but all-time high was over 1,000. I see here 1,500. So if we see again this price, we're gonna be rich. Yeah. Let's see their website. As I told you, digital cash, they're not offering anything spectacular, but I like them because they're on the market from 2014, so they survived hell, but they keep fighting. They're still in top 25. I like that. So they have an app, and almost 5,000 merchants over all world where you can pay with Dash. You can stake Dash for around 6% a year, I think. Yeah, 6% a year. Their score is C. Yeah, that's great score. Not perfect, but very good. Very good score. Yeah. Okay, so that's it for today about top 3 staking coins. Next video is gonna be interesting. It's gonna be about future staking coins. Future, I mean, for next year. Maybe in 1 year they will start staking. So I'm already filling my bags and getting ready for that. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned and see you very soon again. Goodbye.